In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course on Wix. Whether you're starting your first online course or looking to expand your offerings, Wix provides a user-friendly platform that makes the process easy and efficient. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Wix website editor. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to the site you wish to work on. This is your main workspace, where everything you'll do today will come together. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side. There, you'll see an icon that looks like a collection of small apps. This is your apps icon, and it's a gateway to a host of additional tools that Wix offers. Go ahead and click that. Next up, we'll be focusing our efforts on selling online. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Sell Online. This feature is specifically designed to guide you through setting up e-commerce functions, including creating and selling courses. Click on that, and you'll open up more options for customizing your course. Among the options, you'll notice online courses listed. This selection allows you to integrate an online learning environment seamlessly into your website. So let's click on online courses to move forward. Now you'll see an option for Wix online programs. This feature lets you manage your courses, track enrollments, and handle various aspects of your e-learning offerings. Click on Wix Online Programs to access this powerful tool. Once you've done that, look for the Add to Site button. Clicking this will incorporate the Online Programs app directly into your website, making it easier to manage your educational content all in one place. After adding the app, it's time to manage your programs. The Manage Programs button will take you to a dashboard where you can oversee all aspects of your courses. Click there to start organizing what you'll be offering. Now that you're managing your programs, look out for the Get Started button. Clicking this gives you the tools you need to start crafting your first course from scratch. Navigate through this initial setup by following the prompted steps. With all the groundwork laid out, it's time to actually create your course. Begin by selecting Online Course from the available options. This helps you define the type of content you'll be organizing and selling. To proceed, simply click Next. You're making great progress and are nearly ready to see your vision come to life. You'll be presented with various templates to choose from, each offering a different style and structure. Pick one that best suits the theme and style of your course. After selecting a template, click Finish. This prepares your course framework and you're almost ready to go live. Next, customize your selected template. This is where you can infuse your course with personality and tailor it to match your brand, ensuring it resonates with your target audience. Once you're satisfied with your edits and everything looks just right, it's time to share your course with the world. Click Publish and voila, your course is live and ready for enrollments. Congrats on completing your course setup on Wix. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in launching your new online learning experience.